Find features that distinguish it from other brands for PALOTR X7 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 5000 PA Automatic Vacuum Robot Cleaner. Why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 5000 PA Powerful Suction. The robot vacuum boasts a 5000 PA suction capability, effortlessly removing pet hair and dust from any surface. It automatically switches to max suction power upon detecting carpets for a deeper clean. 160-minute runtime, powered by a high-capacity 2300 mAh lithium-ion battery, the robot vacuum delivers an impressive 160 minutes of continuous cleaning runtime in standard mode. 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming. The X7 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo supports multiple cleaning modes, effectively removes dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from all hardwood flooring surfaces and low-pile carpet. Ideal for rugs, hard floors. Smart LiDAR navigation. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with an advanced radar navigation system that quickly maps your living space. It can save and manage maps for added convenience. Additionally, it allows you to manually set no-go zones via a mobile app, making it ideal for homes. Precise anti-collision. Built with both infrared obstacle avoidance sensors and ultrasonic anti-collision sensors, this robot vacuum continuously detects fixed obstacles. It slows down and navigates around obstacles in advance, effectively preventing damage to the robot body and furniture. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.